Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the GATE 2023 Mathematics. Today we will discuss about the partial differential equation questions with the help of shortcut tricks. Myself Dr. Garg, you can simply follow my YouTube channel Dr. Harish Garg, or else you can simply follow my Telegram channel link. This is the barcode of this. What we have discussed in a previous lecture, we have a playlist GATE Mathematics channel name Dr. Harish Garg, where we have discussed the linear algebra question, differential equations and of the previous year papers related to the GATE mathematics. Also, we have a playlist related to the CSR net. You can see here where we have discussed all those previous year's papers solutions with the help of shortcut tricks. Now, in this lecture, we will describe all those questions related to the partial differential with the help of shortcut tricks. Let's start with this video. You have to, as I mentioned in all my previous video, you have to read the statement very carefully. If you read this question number 26, what they suggested you is the solution of some partial differential, second order partial differential equation with some initial condition is given to you. Let the domain of dependency is at the point is the line segment on the x-axis here. Look at that. Are they talking about the solution of this partial differential equation? No. Nothing is given about the solution of partial differential equation. It means when you talk about the solution, you have to think about of this form are there. But here there is no need of this kind. What is given to you? They are the domain of dependency. Clearly says that this is my hyperbolic equation. So once it is here, then what is the domain is? If I say this is the x-axis, this point 3, 2 is my here. This I can written as ux, t. So this is my x-axis. This is my t, so this is my 3, 2. What is the domain of dependency of hyperbolic is? There are the two characteristics lines are there here. This is x plus ct, this is x minus ct, and it intersect at the point q and r from the point p as it mentioned at here. Now this is the triangle. The area is given to you 8. So what is the area of triangle? Half base. What is the base of this? That is my 2 ct. Height is my, this is my height is my 2. So I can written as 2 ct of 2 is my 8. So you can see my target is to find the c square, and what is the t is my 2 again. So it's my 2 ct is equal to 8. I can substitute t is my here. So what is the c? C is my 2. Answer of this my 4 is the right answer. You can clearly say that nothing is given about the solution. They are talking about the domain of dependency. So you have to write this triangle. Okay, look about this one. What is given to you? This is the linear partial differential equation. That is the small p, capital P. This here is equal to r. Then its initial curve is given to you. Which of the following statements are true or false? So they are talking about the unique solution, infinite many solution. So what is that? When this has infinite many solution or the unique solution. So what is given to you? Some point is given to you. So what is the condition is? You have to find p at the point, say at the point is t, divided by the initial solution x derivative at the point. If it is a q at the point t of y, and r divided by say u of t. That is the solution. If all are my equal, then we have the infinite many solution. If all are non-equal, then we will get the unique solution. If this is equal and this is not equal, then we call as the no solution. That's a simple concept behind these problems. So look at that. What is my small p is x, q is my y, r is my u, and this is my initial point. So it means what is the x is my t, y is equal to t. What is the u? U is given to you as my f of t. So now we can see about the first point p. That is for this. What is the p? P is my x at the point t is my here divided by their derivative. Here derivative. What is the u? Is r is u is my f of t. F of t is here divided by their derivative. Clearly say that they are equal but they are non-equal. So what is the meaning of that? It is a no solution. So this statement is my false. So once p is false, so this is cancel out and this is cancel out. Now look at the q option, 2t minus 1. So again this is my here, this is here is 2t minus 1 over 2. Again it is not equal. Again it is a no solution, but they are talking about the infinite many solutions. So this option is also cancelled out. So both the options are my false is the correct answer of this prompt. Look at the another one. So what is given to you clearly says that this is my wave equation, but it is a non-homogeneous. Now they are talking about the solution. So what is the meaning of that? Whenever there is a non-homogeneous solution, we all know it break into the two parts. First part is homogeneous solution. Second part is the corresponding to this right hand side solution. So what is the homogeneous solution? If I call homogeneous solution as UH, what is the homogeneous solution is x plus ct minus f of x minus ct divided by 2 plus integration of g of x dx over the domain x plus ct and x minus ct. Now the question arises is what is f and u? What is f and u? G. F is nothing but my u at x equal to 0. G is my partial derivative of here at x equal to 0. So if you compare them, this is my f, this is my g. So if you substitute here, it will be my 0. So it means this part is 0. What is the right hand side is? That is the right hand side is here. How you can find this solution is? And what is the c? If you compare them, clearly say that c is my 1. How you can find the right hand side? That is a non-homogeneous part is, it will be my 1 over 2c double integration of, if I call this is r of x comma t, then this is my r x comma t dx dt. Limits are my from x minus t. Okay, I can change the limits because x I already taken here. So I can take these points as say xi and u. So d of xi and d of u. So this is my u and x plus c of t minus u, and limits are from 0 to t. So clearly says that now I can substitute here, but it can take a very lengthy calculation. So I can take a simple calculation for you. I can clear this screen here. Now I want to find this value. So this is my x, this is my t. So I can substitute here. C is my 1. So it is 1 over. This is my 3 pi by 2. Now you can substitute here. X is my pi by 2. C is my 1. So 3 pi by 2 minus of u plus. So it will be u minus pi. U minus pi. And for this case, it will be plus and it is minus. So it will be my 2 pi minus of u. I can substitute here. This is sine of xi, sine of 2u. This is my d of xi, d of u. Now that's over. Now you can simply, this is the value of the xi, that is the limit of this. So firstly I can integrate this. What is the integration of this? This is a minus cos of xi over the limit 2 pi. The rest of the calculation you can do it very easily. So what will happen? Cos of 2 pi minus u is my cos of u. Cos of pi minus of u is my plus of u. So it will be my minus of 2 cos of u. So I can substitute here. This 2 will be cancelled out. So minus 3 pi by 2 cos of u. I can break this part as 2 sine u cos u. It will be cos square. Now rest are over. What will happen on this part? You can simply integrate them. What is the integration of this? 2 will be outside. It will be minus of 2. I can take this number as a y. This is my dy. So it will be my cos cube u over 3 from 0 to 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 is odd number, is a 0. It is minus of 1 by 3. Answer is my 2 by 3. You can round them to the 2 decimal places. So 0.67 is the right answer of this prompt. So this is the simple way you can solve this homogeneous and the non-homogeneous solutions are here. I hope you can simply learn this concept. We will see the next lecture. Till then, you can like, share and comment my videos. Best of luck, students. Happy learning.